Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Analyst Explorers. In this video, we will solve another SQL HackerRank question, which is the blunder. So in this question, let's discuss the question. Samantha was tasked with calculating the average monthly salaries for all employees in the employee table, but did not realize her keyboard zero key was broken until after completing the calculation. She wants your help finding the difference between miscalculation. Write a query calculating the amount of error actual minus miscalculated average monthly salary and round it up to the next integer. So there is a table of employees with the column ID, name, and salary. So what Samantha has to do? Samantha has done has to do the average has to calculate the average salary. But what she miscalculated is she ignored the zero value. Here we can see that she calculated 142 instead of 1420, 2006 for 26, and for this she done the average calculation. So the actual salary would be 2159 actual average salary, but she calculated 98. So what she wants the difference between the actual and the miscalculated average salary. So now let's try to find the answer. So we will select, so we have to find the difference. So the actual salary, average salary will be, select average salary. So salary will be in the salary column, salary minus the miscalculated, what she miscalculated. So she calculated the average, but what she did, she replaced the zero value with the blank value. So we will use a function replace. Now this function will replace the zero uh, in the salary column, and the syntax for replace is the column name. What we want to replace is 0 with a blank. We want nothing in this place. And now uh, okay, and now and also we have to what so also in the question, right, and round it up to next integer. So for rounding it up, I will use a shell function. This shell function will round the number to the next integer. So here we can see that select cell average salary, the actual salary, the miscalculated salary, average replace salary with the blank, and here we will place three brackets. And now we will give the table name. The table name is employees, from the table employees. And now let's try to run the code. And here we can see that our answer is right. We can click on the submit code button to submit the answer. And thank you for watching this video.